Now you will learn how to trade Forex, gold and other assets on Bybit even as a beginner. If you are going to trade Forex and other TradFi products, you must be aware of the risks that I will reveal to you in today's video. It's also important to understand the long-term performance of different currencies and gold compared to Bitcoin. But first, when you want to start trading any asset on Bybit, you'll need to create the 100% free account. And I will leave you a link in the description right here below my video. After clicking the first link below my video, you will land on the Bybit registration page where you will see my face, my name and the details of your welcome rewards. You will create your free account using your email address, phone number, Google, Apple or Telegram account. All sign up methods are free, and then you will click here get my welcome gifts. When you want to trade Forex and other things right here, you might be asking, what is this TradFi? It stands for traditional finance, so you can trade all kinds of products that have been traditionally available, such as stocks, indices, metals, commodities, you name it. They are available here on TradFi. Notice that you will be trading derivatives trading products, so you don't own the assets directly. These products here on TradFi are CFDs, which means contract for difference. There are several differences between trading crypto and TradFi products on Bybit, and perhaps the biggest thing are the trading times. Bitcoin and crypto you can trade 24/7 every day of the week, in the midnight, in the morning, you name it. Meanwhile, TradFi you will trade 24/5, so from Monday to Friday. For those 5 days you can trade the whole day, starting from the Monday midnight all the way to Friday night. Previously, trading was limited to standard market hours, but Bybit has expanded this to reduce time zone limitations. And you know that on many other platforms, if you want to trade these TradFi products, you cannot trade 24/5. You can only trade, let's say, 8 hours a day on weekdays or something like that. So again, Bybit is providing a much better experience than its competitors. When you want to trade Forex and these other products, you come here into Tools and you click here TradFi. Trade Forex, commodities and stock CFDs all in one place. If you want to trade your phone, it's also extremely easy. You can simply find the Bybit app on your phone. You click here open, then you can click here in the middle trade, and then you click here on the top right TradFi. And here you can see your favorites, stocks, indices, Forex, metals, you name it, they are available right here. Let's say you want to trade, for example, gold versus US dollar. You can click right here, then you can see the charts, you can analyze it, and you can trade by clicking here buy or sell. For example, buy, and then you can choose the amount right here. I will show you now the whole process on the computer. If you want a specific phone tutorial, let me know in the comments below my video. When you come into TradFi, the first thing you want to do is to transfer some money into your TradFi account. You can click here on the right side, this plus button, or you can scroll down a little bit and click here transfer. Then you can transfer money from your funding account or your unified trading account directly to TradFi account. Just to show you an example, I have currently 527 USD available roughly. So let me just add 100 USD and you will see what happens. Confirm, transfer in progress. So it usually takes a couple of seconds that you need to wait. It's not usually immediate. This time I waited for 10 to 15 seconds. Then I refreshed the page and the money was already there. Next, you want to choose your trading pair on the left hand side. You can choose here for TradFi, and here you can choose any of the trading pairs. Forex can be found here on the Forex tab. You can see here US dollar against major currencies, euro against many currencies, Swiss franc, Japanese yen and many other ones. So there is a lot of availability. Even some Nordic currencies, Norwegian krone, Swedish krona, a lot of availability. For all of these TradFi products, there is a preset leverage up to 500 MEXC. And before you start trading with your favorite trading pair, you may want to check it out on the Bybit website. You can see here the page contracts available on TradFi, MT5 and specifications, and here it shows you the leverage for each trading pair. First, it shows you the Forex trading pairs. For some of them it has 10x leverage, for other ones 500x leverage. Let's scroll down a little bit more to see other ones. There is also 20x leverage for specific trading pairs, 50x leverage. So you want to check out exact leverage for the trading pair that you want to trade. And you also want to be aware of the trading fees. You can find the exact numbers here on the Bybit website, MT5 trading fees explained. Here it shows you that, for example, for Forex, there is a $6 fee per lot. And here you can choose the trading quantity according to these lots. If you scroll down, you notice that for indices, the fee is significantly lower. For example, for Nikkei, the Japanese stock index, $0.1 per lot, so much smaller. And here you also notice the leverage, up to 500 for Forex and metals. For commodities, 20 to 1. For US stocks, 5 to 1. And the trading fee is only $0.02 per lot, with the minimum of $0.2 per order. You may find this page also helpful, Introduction to MetaTrader 5, and here it gives a side-by-side comparison between Bybit mainnet, where you are trading crypto, Bitcoin and other ones, and then the Bybit TradFi, where you are trading Forex, gold and the other ones. For example, the fee structure is explained here. The leverage is different because on crypto you can choose a flexible leverage. Meanwhile, with TradFi, there is a fixed leverage for each trading pair. One thing you must be aware of is that with TradFi, there may be these overnight charges if you leave your trades open overnight or throughout the weekend. You may check out more information in this article, which takes you to this fee page. All that background info being said, let me show you a couple of examples in practice with Forex, with gold and a couple of other assets as well. I have chosen here US dollar versus Swiss franc, some of the strongest government currencies on planet Earth. And here, when you choose buy, you are expecting that the price of the first asset, in this case US dollar, goes higher. If you choose sell, you are expecting the price of the second asset to go higher, in this case Swiss franc. Just to explain the same thing with the other trading pair. So when you click here buy, you are expecting the first asset to go higher. When you click sell, you are expecting the second asset to go higher. So let's open a trade here. I click here buy, and here you can choose the trade. Notice that the minimum is 0.01 lots. I will show that for example purposes. Then you can click here for take profit and stop losses. So it can take profit, for example, when you have made $10 profit, or if you have lost, for example, $1, you can click here confirm and it will do the closing automatically. But I will click here now cancel. I will leave it off. Click here buy to give us some flexibility. So you notice here the trade has gone right here, euro versus US dollar. Here we can see the entry price, the current price, the size of the trade, unrealized profit and loss, the value of the trade and the other details. When your trade is open, you can also add profit and loss by clicking here add, and then again the same process right here. You can add them for specific price or at the specific profit in dollars. For example, I would want to take profit when the price reaches 1.17. Then it calculates that I will be earning more than $6 profit. When that happens, if I put 1.18, the profit will be already more than $16. And if I want to put a stop loss, let's say 1.16, the loss will be roughly $4. If I click here confirm, you can see them available right here. And if you want to remove them, you can simply click this one again, click here confirm, and it takes them away. When you want to close your trades, you can simply click here close by. Then you can choose the amount. Do you want to close your trade fully or partially? You can click here confirm, submitted successfully. Let me close here another Forex example trade. I click here confirm, submitted successfully. Here I have also an example trade open with gold versus US dollar that I just opened a little bit before recording this this video. And you can see gold went up a little bit. So this trade is more than $13 in profits already, which is nice. So when you want to take a profit, it's the same process. You can click here close buy, click here close, and you can see submitted successfully. I earned $13 profit with that one trade. The process is the same also with other assets, indices and stocks. Let's take some stocks to show you. Apple stock, for example. Remember here that you are not buying these assets direct, so you don't own the assets. You are speculating on the price. So if the price goes higher and you click here buy, you earn money, and vice versa on the downside. Let me show you here an example. You notice that the minimum is 1 lot required. So let me put that one. I click here buy, and you can see submitted successfully, and it's right here. You also notice that it didn't take the whole $265 because it's using the leverage. The leverage is up to 5-to-1. So in this example, when the asset is $265, in order to buy 1 lot, I need to pay roughly $50. Let's take another example here. Tesla, the asset price is a little bit below $500. So if I want to buy 1 lot, I estimate it will cost me something less than $100. If I click here buy, you can see from 577 to 490. So the difference went into this trade. You can see it right here on the bottom. Since I opened only 1 lot, you notice that I paid the minimum of 20 cents per order. So for opening these 2 trades, I paid roughly 40 cents in fees in total. Let me close both of them right here. Click here close buy, click here close buy. So now you have seen also how to trade stocks. Now it's important to understand the risks of trading these TradFi products on Bybit, and the first risk is of course the leverage. As you noticed here, many of these products have up to 500x leverage, which means that there are 500 times faster profits and losses. Everything is 500 times amplified, which means that you can make money fast, but you can also lose money extremely fast. The second massive risk is of course the opportunity cost, because let's say that you are trading these Forex products, you could be using that money also elsewhere, and oftentimes in more profitable places. Just to show you an example, Swiss franc has been one of the best performing government currencies in the world in the last couple of years, and it still has lost more than 86% of its value in the last 5 years against Bitcoin. US dollar is the biggest global reserve currency, and you can see that one also has lost more than 88% of its value in the last 5 years against Bitcoin. And most other government currencies have lost even more than 90% of the value in the last 5 years. And when it comes to stocks and gold, Bitcoin is completely outperforming them. You can see here that when you take almost any time frame in history, 1 year, 2 years, 7 years, 10 years, 11 years, take whatever time frame, and Bitcoin is almost always beating gold and S&P 500, one of the strongest stock indexes in the world. Just to give you some examples, in 1 year Bitcoin up 70%, gold 50%, S&P 16%. 5 years, Bitcoin up 744%, gold 118, S&P 100. In 10 years, Bitcoin is up more than 35,000, gold and S&P only 260 and 225%. So instead of investing in gold or stocks, by investing in Bitcoin, you would have made much more profits. Of course, history doesn't guarantee future results, but I believe Bitcoin is going to continue outperforming gold and S&P 500 easily. That's why I personally prefer to click here transfer, and I transfer the money from TradFi to my unified trading account by clicking here all, clicking here confirm, and then I will come into trade. I will click here for spot. I choose BTC USDT with the market order, and I convert the money immediately into Bitcoin. And now, if you want an alternative platform with lower trading fees and many other benefits, let me show you an alternative platform for trading Bitcoin, crypto, and also stock futures. Just to show you the proof that MEXC has lower trading fees, you can see here futures trading fee 0.005%, taker 0.02%. Meanwhile, on Bybit, you would need to have Supreme VIP in order to get as low trading fees as on MEXC. As a regular user or VIP, you are paying higher trading fees on Bybit. Even on spot you can see 0.1 is the typical. Meanwhile on MEXC, maker is 0 and taker is 4 times smaller than on Bybit. And nowadays MEXC also provides MEXC stock futures for those of you who want to trade it, and they are adding more products regularly. So you know this, that MEXC has multiple benefits compared to Bybit.